Hello friends. Today weather is very beautiful, calm and happiness and it is rainy day. But I am not talking about weather but I am talk about how to practice. First I practice in front mirror and second uh, along I and second talk to along and third I practice with video, so you can try also. uh, but first, uh, if you like my video and subscribe and share my channel, let's start to the point. uh, if if you want this journey start English language, your you decide that not give up any single day, and no hesitation, no fear, only and only speak English and focus on your work. You can do, and you and I always 15 and 30 minutes speak English only alone with me, and daily use sentence speak English as turn off light, switch on light, open the door and close the door, and then and I read daily English book where uh, which I improve my vocabulary and my grammatical sentence improve. So I suggest you are daily reading one page English books as novel uh, and storybooks and magazine, newspaper, any other books. No, my no anything any other books you read, but read only English book, whereas you improve your reading skill and listening skill and vocabulary and pronunciation and sentence is grammatical clear. But I know my grammatical sentence is not correct, and I my speaking is not correct, but I am not hurdle, not fear, but only speak English randomly. I think and talk, I think, talk, I think, talk, and then thinking also English and talk with English, thinking also English and talk English. No Hindi, no translate Hindi, any single word we any single word is speak English, no Hindi translate. uh, if you can you convert English translate to Hindi, your sentence and your meaning very meaningless. So uh, you think you think English and talk. Wa- uh, 1 week your face problem, and second week some calm, and third week confident, and fourth week you fluent some fluent English talk, and um, after fifth week you can automatically English speaking, listening, and fluent talk to other person. I know my English is very bad, no bad, but I speak grammatical. And then you can try any other platform and conversations other person, but I am I want but I have not take any other platform and any other person conversation. I am also talking alone with जैसे as hello Poonam, hello, who are you? I am fine, and you are also fine. Where are you go there? I am going to school. Oh, uh, and uh, and are you go with there? Yes, you with there, and evening time as Poonam, uh, you are uh, buy some mm, vegetable. Yes, I bought some vegetable. So daily practice is more important, and one uh, one page reading English more important. And if my video is like, to please subscribe, share, and like, share, subscribe my channel. And if my video uh, I my if my grammar is not correct, and my speaking is not correct, so please no judge me.